Hi guys, good afternoon, and I'm on my way now to Sultan Kudarat Gym and Cultural Center, day 2 of the semi-final round of the 3rd Governor Dato Pax Ali Kalimudan basketball tournament. We have another 2 games later tonight. First match, Palimbang against Senator Ninoy Aquino. Then second game, Isulan against Tacorong City. And siyempre, bike lang service. Barkada ko ulit. Sinala ko na konsay. Yan. See you later guys sa Provincial Capital Gym. So yan guys, Provincial Capital of Sultan Kudarat. Dito ko nagtambay kayo now. Mirinda lang katali. Then ari na ang Provincial Capital Gym of Sultan Kudarat. Whew. Another stress night. So we expect the unexpected situation. That's the provincial capital of Sultan Kudarat. And diri kami karon. Anyway guys, see you later guys sa amon nga dugout. So guys, ari ko sa amon nga dugout. Two games again, and so good luck to us later, and just enjoy. Okay, you just follow guys me on my another channel, Ivan U Vlogs. So dito nakapost ang mga videos ng mga games na nakuha ko kagabi. And later, arama dito kuhaan ko mangyapon sa Ivan U Vlogs. So see you later guys inside the gymnasium, inside the basketball court. So you can see the view of the inside during the game. Bye for now guys. Yes, inside the basketball court na guys. This Sultan Kudarat Gym and Cultural Center. And as usual area, live streaming. Governor Dato Pax Ali by Rihan Mor Dato sa Kaluran, Sultan Kudarat Provincial Tourism Office, 88.3 RNJ Network, and Idolo Dato Pax Ali. Also may ara madri mga vloggers nga mag-live stream siguro or magkuha lang behind the scenes ang game. So this is the first match, Palimbang against galinman ang Senator Ninoy Aquino. See you later guys, right after this game. So yun guys, and tapos na ginawa ng 2 games. First game played between Palimbang against SNA sa score nga 106-88, and the second game Tacorong against Isulan sa score nga 94 against 86. So a video guys na ara sa Ivan U Vlogs. So follow lang, then thank you for watching. Big shout out lang sa grupo ko nga SBP Sultan Kudarat chapter, headed by our SBP provincial technical head Sir Hope M. Zamora, and the rest of the SBP Sultan Kudarat chapter. And don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless everyone.